Catabanana? What is a Catabanana?
A caterpillar.
It's a caterpillar? And what's it made out of?
Bananas.
Oh.
Chocolate chip, raisins, and pretzels.
Nice. Let's see how you prepare a Catabanana.
First, you peel a banana very carefully so it doesn't break.
Oh. Wow, you are a very good banana peeler. Very good.
Then you put the pretzel legs on.
Well, that's a good food to use for legs. Wow, and you're doing two at a time. Okay.
Put them in. Push them down.
Wow.
You keep on repeating it until you get to the end, and you can stop wherever you want.
Nice. So he's doing like a pattern. He's pushing them in, and then he's pushing them down.
And one more layer I would probably need.
Okay.
Then you either slice it or put the eyes on. But I'm gonna slicing it. Slice it very carefully so it doesn't slip apart.
You are like a master slicer.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Then if there's not between together a lot, then you would put them back together.
Okay.
And then you put the raisins on.
You are doing a really nice job explaining and using your words.
You keep on doing it until the last slice.
So how many raisins are you putting on each slice?
5. No, 1.
Just one on each slice, 5 altogether. Wow, that's very nice.
Then put the chocolate chips on. No, you put the honey on.
And what does the honey do?
Sticks together.
Oh, so is it kind of like a glue that you can eat?
Yeah.
Nice. And squeezing that big bottle of honey, that's good to strengthen your hands.
Put it in every crack.
It is coming out. It's going in the cracks. And he's really using his muscles. Good job.
Then you eat it.
And does it need eyes so it sees where it's crawling?
Yep.
What do you use for the eyes?
Chocolate chips.
So just a little bit of sweetness.
A couple people will get chocolate.
Okay. I wonder if they will be the people that are the most quiet in the audience. A little bit slippery.
That's why I'm putting it on the tips.
Perfect. Oh, what a good idea. Excellent. Wow, you did such a nice job putting that together all by yourself. And now what do you get to do?
Yeah.
And we know that's our favorite part. I can see that my audience is starting to creep up very close. My audience needs to stay in their spots. Otherwise, you won't get a taste of a Catabanana. Which section are you going to taste, Chef Carter? The head. I knew he was going to pick the head. So what does he think? Yes, I knew it. Boys and girls, Chef Carter did such a wonderful job really talking and explaining as he was doing things, and he used great words. Let's give him a big round of applause. Good job for you, Chef Carter.